We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up AERC stock. We are in the monthly time frame. Price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green candle with a bullish green doji with a long wick down to that bottom. So it can be making an area of support to push up to another level, or we can follow up with a bearish red candle that can engulf this doji and decisive to push that market down. So we have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint in the middle, and we do have the highest the market has been. So if that market's going to work its way up for structure, we do have a spike down with that doji. Market can be forming that overall first leg, second leg, coming down for that third leg, respected with the support here, looking for a pattern to engulf the price action candle, or at least the second to last candle, some of the third to last candle, to push that market up for an incline W, first, second, third, fourth. Now, if that market does come down, think about we have an invisible line coming up, so that'll be the first leg, overall second leg, third leg, and we're looking for engulfment pattern bearish to the price action and the second last candle. We may have to grab some of that price action wick as well for that the market to close out, and market will be coming from the first, second, third, fourth, a double top. Or that market can consolidate side by side. So we do have price action is within the second last candle, so there's a bit of consolidation going on in that area. On the weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish red candle with a spike up to the high. So a second last candle broke that SR line. Price action came back to spiked it. So overall, price is coming from a pattern up to the high, which is identifying the first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushed down for that fourth. So market pushed down for the fourth leg and created that M structure, broke the midpoint. Price action came back to retest that SR line that we did find on the monthly time frame, and all we're doing is waiting in this area to see what's going to happen for a bearish red candle to push that market back down to previous areas, or will we receiving a bullish green candles that's going to identify the break, the retest, and for that market to push up. So that market will be identifying the first leg, second leg for the break, retest, and work its way up for that incline W. On the daily time frame, so we have the break and the market came back to the other side. So let's read the market. So the market did break that midpoint and it came back to retest, but it broke to the other side. So we're going to see if that market is going to it did break, see if it's going to come back to a retest and then work its way up further. Okay. Also, something we're going to look out for too is we do have price action, higher highs of that area, and price action lower lows of that area. Now if we grab that midpoint right in the middle, now we can see that market could be just tagging this midpoint for the retest because it's near the SR line, and then come back down further. So we may have to wait for this market to break that SR line retest to work its way up for new levels. So that will be identifying the first leg, second leg for the break, third leg retest, fourth leg working its way up for the incline. On the 4-hour time frame, reading the same thing as well. On a 3-hour time frame, we have a bullish green doji with a spike up to the high, side by side with the second last candle. So we do have price above the previous price action wick is above the previous wick and body above the previous wick that can still push that market up further. But we got to be careful because this could be running into an area of resistance. So it's identifying that it can push, but it's also identifying its consolidation because price action is still within the other candle just by a little bit, and you can see it's tagging an area of that SR line that we did create. On a 2-hour time frame, same as well. On a 1-hour time frame, so something we're going to look out for in the 1-hour time frame as we go up further with the price action candle, and as we work our way down, we can see that the market started off small with the price action candle and it got bigger. So if you look down from the bottom, it's a large candle and it got smaller, showing that the market is losing momentum as it's coming near that resistance. Price action, second last candle, is still reading the same structure for the 2-hour time frame, the 3-hour time frame, and I think the 4-hour time frame. And same as well with the 45 minute, it's matching up with the 1 hour. Same as well with the 30, price action, second last candle, still reading the same thing. Still near that SR line that we created. On the 15 minute, now we see a retest in this area with the 5th last candle in the market. Okay, and there's also a retest with the 3rd last candle in the market. So market broke, retest, broke, retest, broke, pushed up to that area and stopped at that midpoint. So that market is between that 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and sitting between that 3rd and 4th leg. So we haven't got that full bearish red candle. If it comes up, market's coming down from a double top. If it breaks up, we're looking for a bullish green candle that's going to break, retest, and work its way up to the next level. On the 5-minute time frame, starting to receive that consolidation from those dojis. Price action, second last candle, 3rd last candle. These are all dojis. So we can see that structure of that 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, retest 1, retest 2. So we have a double bottom, we have a double bottom and a double retest that's created a W here. So we're going to see if that W pushes up for that bullish green candle. Now will be the break, retest, the market working its way up. Now if it comes down, we're looking at the overall 1st leg, 2nd leg, 3rd leg, 4th leg, retest, and the market's coming down from a double top and a retest overall, triple top. On a 3-minute time frame, so to gauge this, it's near the SR line, so we have price action high, price action low. Think about putting a midpoint right in the middle of that area, and I'll stop us right there, that doji. So we can see price action has spiked that SR line that we created. We're going to see if it's going to respect it with a bullish green candle to work its way out. If not, market's going to break down with a bearish red candle that's going to break and retest. Same as well with the bullish green candle on the 1 minute time frame. We do have the 2nd last candle, 3rd last candle spike that area, that low. Price action is engulfing the 2nd last candle, can push that market up. But if you want to see that market push up further, just want to see price action close above the 3rd last candle in the market to push that market up. And you can see that market's working its way up for that incline for the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, retest 1, retest. We look for that 2nd push in this area to fully break out. Okay guys, please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. AERC stock.